So lazy people always think they're winners, but real winners, if you're really a winner, right, you feel like you're losing all the time. Lazy people, they feel like they're entitled to winning. That's why you don't see them in the boxing gym, not for long anyway, because what happens is the ring doesn't lie. My first coach told me that, and it's true. You can be as fit as you want, you can think you're as good as you want, but you step into the ring and you'll find out what you're really made of, right? And people who aren't willing to put in the hard work, and the hard work is, and again, most people, they're actually not that lazy, they just have the wrong expectations. You have to accept that you're going to lose. I'm training a boxer now, right? And we're sparring, he goes, oh, that was the worst spar ever because he can't hit me. But again, I've got 30 amateur fights. I've been around for a while as well, and I keep practicing my craft, and I was willing to put in the hard work and to look silly and to look stupid in order to improve and learn as well. That's a big reason why I coach, right? So because what I coach, you know, if I really know what I'm talking about, can I also teach others the same thing as well? So if you're lazy, okay, or if you think that you can do it easy, yeah, you can, right? Like talent will get you very far. You can come in and be the most talented person, but I've seen so many talented people in boxing and they're no longer around, right? Like talented, ultra talented. I go, hey, you could be great, but obviously because of experience now, I understand that, you know what, there's no point if you don't stick around. Whereas the boxers who come in day out, they're reliable. All they think about is boxing. They can schedule and work around their life to make boxing fit. They can become great. And those are guys that I use my time and I invest in them because I know that, hey, they're in it for the long run. If you're lazy, right, like you got to think about it. What's the benefit, okay? And no one really wants to be lazy if you think it's comfortable, but you have to get out of your comfort zone, right? So if it's hard, if it's comfortable, boxers live a different life. Boxing is all about getting out of your comfort zone. It never gets any easier, it gets harder and harder. Because if you want to be the best, you got to keep climbing, keep fighting better sparring partners. You want to fight the best, you want to be the best. And this is something that continually happens all the time. So if you're lazy, right, it's not really about being lazy, it's about understanding, hey, this is not going to work if you want to achieve anything great anyway. Nothing great comes easy. You have to really push yourself, and everyone's journey, everyone's struggle is different, okay? So you got to find out what it is for you, what you really like doing, what gets you excited, and then you can go from there, okay? Hope you enjoy that. Any other questions, let me know. I teach more about this and how to be a complete, comprehensive boxer in my school group, so you can check it out there, all right? Link in bio. Thanks, bye.